Your personal learning device runs on the Windows 10 operating system. While you might be familiar with Windows 7 or even Windows 8, this video will show you around the user interface and navigation of the updated Windows 10 OS. Of course, you have a traditional desktop with a collection of desktop shortcuts to various platforms and files. While you might be used to saving things to the desktop on your personal computer, anything saved to the desktop on your device will only be available to you when connected to the CHS Wi-Fi network. For the correct way to save files, refer to the video on OneDrive in the Student Technology Handbook. Directly beneath the Windows 10 desktop is a horizontal black bar, referred to as the taskbar. From left to right, the taskbar contains your Windows Start icon, the Cortana search bar, shortcuts to platforms which you can pin, and the system tray, which includes your hidden icons, sync sender, battery life, Wi-Fi internet access, notifications, and more. By clicking on the Windows Start menu, you gain access to File Explorer, Settings, Power, and Apps, or Platforms as we call them. File Explorer contains your OneDrive Nampa SA 131 folder, which syncs your files with OneDrive in Office 365. Settings allows you to customize your user experience by changing such things as your background image and magnification. Power, of course, enables you to turn your computer off entirely, but it also allows you to simply put your device to sleep for those times when you plan on using your device intermittently throughout the day, such as at the beginning or end of each class period. And All Apps is where your collection of pre-installed platforms is housed. Notice that these platforms are organized alphabetically. So if you want to use Word, simply scroll down to the W's or click on any letter section heading and click W for Word. The Cortana search bar can also be used to search for and open platforms. Just start typing the name of the tool you are looking for, and Cortana will deliver. Notice that Cortana can also be used to search through pictures, files, and settings on your device for quick access. Additionally, this search bar can be used to search the web with Microsoft Edge. Previously, I mentioned using the taskbar to pin shortcuts to frequently used platforms. This is a great time saver while working in class. To pin an app or platform to the taskbar, locate that platform in your Start menu. Right-click on the platform's icon, hover over More, and select Pin to Taskbar. Sometimes I like to have multiple platforms open on my screen simultaneously, but I don't like clicking on the open icons to go back and forth between them. Windows 10 has a snapping feature which allows you to open two platforms side by side for easier integration. To do this, click on the top of any platform window. Drag that window to the left or right side of your screen and drop to snap that window to the grid. Notice that you can go between windows to resize. Finally, to the far right of the taskbar, you will find the system tray. Here, you can access hidden icons such as system volume. You can view and resolve any syncing issues with your device, monitor your device's battery life, and connect to Wi-Fi networks both on and off campus. While in a Nampa School District building, your device should automatically connect to an appropriate and available network. If your device has trouble doing so, power off your device and power it back on again. This generally resolves that issue. When trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network off campus, such as at home or a public business, you should be able to find available networks here as well, though some might require that you enter a secure password. In this video, you've been introduced to just a few features of the Windows 10 operating system, but there is so much more about Windows 10 that you can learn. If you are curious to see what all you can do in Windows 10, search Tips in the Cortana search bar. Tips is a built-in tutorial-based platform designed to show you all the bells and whistles that Windows 10 has to offer. Enjoy!